So what are you walking at? Why are I think his grandma. I hear that, but I don't know. He's looking weird. Yes, he got some red eyes. A butcher. Her shit low. I don't know, but this man. He stopped. Sir, what you doing? What the? A knife! A knife. Sir, might to put that knife down. This one. What the? Where did he go? And what's this tombstone? Just it. Okay, why is there a graveyard? And wait, there's, I will give, look like that gift is not somewhere. I hope Tiff is alright, but no, because when he got her one big scream in a like hear a slap sound. Yeah, that's all I hear. I hope Tiff is alright. Tiff! Wait, no, Tiff! Please, no, don't. Do not tell me that. No, he looked lifeless. I think he's dead. Tiff, you're a good friend, buddy. A good friend. Maybe in the bed. Wait, he's moving, I think.
sendirian ya. Ya. Galak kok. Sini namun be. Arya may patoron dampingan.
Pemilihan na sekali na nyari ano. Nyari.
Cip.
Siapa sih?
Cip.
Nyari apa?
Nyari kanan.
Apa nak? Arya lah kesal-salan yuk. Dedek. Iya. Hah? Dedek. Dedek. Si nompak siapa?
Cip. Don't get it.
Iya, Arya. Arya kehidupan. Dia sok dia.
Bisa sebulan. Basok mak.
Oh, freak.
Cik Wildan mati dulu.
More
Desa sebulan
monsters.
Karena orang desa aku ni sak. Yang pun lagi ni lah.
No. Oh.
Dia kat depan dia tahu dah bukul. Saya boleh desa macam ni desa.
Dia marah Arya lepas.
Tikel lu mak. Di Lila Wildan mangkat. Ya lah.
Ding.
Pilih ya.
Banyak apa sih?
Boleh. Sampai apa ni kat kanan pina kau? Aku itu nasa.
What are you gonna do now?
Mungkin ni kan orang yang tidak ada tahu ni yang belum beli. Mampu cek labit beli.
Zombie.
Oh, no, udah pintar naik sepeda ide. Yang ini.
Bukan. Mana?
Bukan.
Wait. What? Those zombies. Those monsters think. Like
Arya malah.
a man with Tiffy. Wait. Tiffy is dirty. Never mind. Tiffy man's in Skibby toilet. Oh my god.
Kini kan kena kata dia tak menot.
Well.
Jadi tedungnya buat nak jadi menot dah apa?
Kan ni kan. Kena sepan. Mana? Sepan apa? Keli lah. Coba sepan lah.
Ilau sana sampai buat sekolah dah sepak. Nyari deh kakak dong.
Disambil Aziz. Aziz.
I am a wrecking ball. I am a wrecking. Ouch. I mean, I am a wrecking ball. Mank. Ding, ding. Kita pa.
Nabon juga.
Dia nak dia kuli buat nak dia tak ada. Dia dah situ dia dah.
Does he look nice to him? The voices. Never mind, it's a monster. Do you fucking iron shit? Man, I hope this. So, let's see. Oh, yes. The almighty one. Eat my taser gun. Run. Run as fast as I can. No. Ding. No. Please just kill me. Help. One attack. Thing for attack those creatures. Attack. Attack. Ding. Ah, fuck. toothpaste monster. Oh no! I don't want to die! I don't want to die. Oh, doom. Oh, that noise. That's so scary. Ding. Yes, finally, we kill him. I will be back. I will be back. So 30 units for a ring or hours. Size. You just. Hey, Megan. No, please. Say goodbye. All of this time wasted, but the city of the Frutia still live today. It shown what the Frutia soldiers and officers like to be a hero for Frutia, Washington. All of these souls, but for what? And at one cost, all of the police and military soldiers is taken. But here are the survivors. First, we got, and the survivors are very Barry and Gary, the commander of and the pilot of the oh wait, never mind it. Just Barry who survived. And also yeah, here's another. And it's yeah, and this guy is one of the and his name is Dingle Hell. His Dingle Hell. And also he was an elite soldier and a super famous being. He always dies but always come back in another day. Some people say he is immortal, but he was actually always lucky all the time. Hey, the mods that I the mod that I use is, well, this and just nothing. And also I have just a little mod, like just a little mod. I have just like one mod. Look at this. And not only it's all our well, OGs from that have added on the new Earth Playground update version 0.3.3. Isn't cool, guys? And also, they also did new characters, like, look at this. And they added so many new weapons, like, look at this. Look at this. And look at this. And look at this. And also I once killed Moni, and so I got Slay. And now I made this a pretty good use because Santa here needs something that he can write on. And also, don't mind him. He got a little toy. Nice. And off the feet. Bye.